So the owls were feeling generous today. They decided that they wanted you to have an inflation fighting item in 2023 to rival any inflation fighting item ever heard of or done before. You know, I was talking about 7-Eleven and how I was aghast to see potato chips selling for $6 a bag for a big bag. Lay's potato chips for $5.99 at 7-Eleven. The small bag, $3.99. And I said, this is highway robbery, because sometimes you just want to run into a gas station and grab a 99-cent iced tea and a bag of potato chips. And that's your quick snack / lunch for the day. And now with inflation, that's running you about $8, $9 a day for a drink and a bag of chips. So I said, we must have something to fight this in 2023. And the owl said, why not use air-fried canned potatoes and make your own chips at home? An incredible inflation reduction fighting idea. You know, most of us have air fryers. We can make our own French fries, papa fritas. We can make our own onion rings. And now perhaps we can make our own potato chips. All you would need to do is buy canned potatoes, the kind that are already sliced in a can. And you think about it, if a can of potatoes sliced is $1.50, and you get 2 cans, that's a medium-sized bag of potato chips right there. And you pay $3, whereas in the store you would have paid $3 for a little bag and $6 for a big bag. Now, the diced canned potatoes, what you want to do is completely empty all the liquid from the can. You want to dry now, as I was saying, you want to thoroughly dry them out, the potatoes. So put them on a paper towel and get all of the liquid. You're going to want to bake. You can air bake them. Let them sit. And then you can season them. A little salt and pepper. Toss them in the air fryer. fry them till they're golden brown and delicious. And now you've got your own homemade potato chips. This is a brilliant inflation reduction idea. Courtesy again of Life Hacks. You know, just think about that. How much money are you going to save by making your own potato chips at home? Air fried canned potatoes, the kind that are already pre-sliced in the can. They're already diced like potato chips. They're healthier than potato chips because they're a full potato chip. They're the potato. You know, I don't think you're going to be able to find canned potatoes that are already pre-diced very long on the shelves after this gets out. This is a real way to fight inflation. Last year I told you about what I was doing with napkins. I said I wasn't buying any more napkins. Instead, every fast food restaurant gives you napkins when you order their food. Think about it. Subway, Quiznos, Jack in the Box, McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's. They all put in a copious amount of napkins, or you can ask for them for free. So I've collected so many napkins from food establishment localities that I haven't bought napkins in an entire year. I didn't buy napkins once in 2022. And now in 2023, I'm telling you, make your own potato chips at home. We're fighting. We're fighting inflation. One napkin and chip at a time.